Alright everyone, what's going on? So, I'm out here tonight on the corner of my block. I want to show you guys a couple flashlight comparisons. Now check these out, right? So the first one is going to be the newer Cobalt Spotlight, right? This one right here. I want to say it is 3000 lumens, or the 2800, I can't remember. And then we have the newer Ryobi, the short one, like this. This one is 3000 lumens, a little stubby. This is model PCL661, the Ryobi. And the Cobalt is model, where'd it go? KSL124 Bravo 03. So these are both 3000 lumens, right? But then I have this one. Do you know what this is? This is a 10,000 lumen flashlight. Watch this. Look at that. It's not focused, it's more like a flood. Look at that. That's 10,000. That lights up everything. Bam. Alright, now let's compare them. Right here, Ryobi. It's much more of a focus beam. Granted, this is on about 50 yards right here, the end of the block, but it's very muggy out. You can see it goes up very far. Here's the Cobalt. Both pretty similar. Second mode. I want to say the Ryobi is a little bit more white and off. Oh, the Ryobi has three. High, medium, low, off. Now, compare these to the 10,000 lumens. Bam. That just lights up everything. It doesn't go very far, but lights up everything. Probably pissing off my neighbors, but oh well. Alright, let me walk down here. Watch this. It's hot here. It's about 95 degrees with 85% humidity. It's disgusting. So if the lens is foggy, forgive me. I do like the Cobalt because the head pivots and you have multiple hanging options. Screw on the back. Hook has a belt clip. The Ryobi has a belt clip. Look at that. Both belt clips. The Ryobi is definitely lighter. The new one. Watch this one. Let's go this way. Alright, so that's one block, and then all the way down there is 2 blocks. Cobalt first. Oh yeah, that goes 2-3 blocks, no problem. The Ryobi. Yeah, the Cobalt definitely goes further. What do you guys think? Bam. Alright guys, all I want to do is just bring you that little comparison. If you like flashlight comparison videos, I do have a couple other spotlights I'd like to compare. Let me know. Man, this thing is bright. Oh, that's hot too. Check that out. This is actually a scuba diving flashlight. Let's see what it says. It says, there you go, L15. Alright guys, lots more to come. Hit that bell, subscribe. Appreciate you watching. See ya.